Launch and deployment, the dawn of a new era. Witness the march of technology across the night sky in the form of SpaceX's Starlink satellites, our new celestial companions. These luminous train of stars are the product of innovative engineering, each one launched from Earth and deployed into a precise orbit. Their mission? To redefine global connectivity and bring high-speed internet to even the most remote corners of the planet. These satellites form a constellation, a network of stars, poised to revamp the digital landscape beyond our wildest dreams. Concerns and solutions, balancing progress with preservation. Despite the concerns regarding light pollution, SpaceX is committed to striking a balance between technological progress and preserving our night skies. The future, a step towards interplanetary civilization. Starlink is not just about internet access, it's a step towards Elon Musk's vision of an interplanetary human civilization. So, look up and join us in witnessing the future, as we follow the march of SpaceX's Starlink satellites across the night sky.